In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zoho CRM with Google Drive. By the end, you'll have your Google account securely connected to Zoho CRM, so you can start linking files and working more smoothly between the two platforms. First, open Zoho CRM and head to the home page. Make sure you're signed into the right organization and that your profile has permission to manage integrations. If you're not an admin, you may need an administrator to follow these steps or to grant you access. Next, go to Setup. You'll find this in the top navigation, typically represented by a wrench or tools icon. Setup is the central hub for configuration in Zoho CRM, and it's where you enable integrations, manage security, and adjust system behavior. Clicking it takes you to the Settings area. Inside Setup, look for the Google section. This is where Zoho groups its native Google integrations, including Drive, Contacts, Calendar, and more. Click Google to open the Google integrations page so you can begin the authorization process. On the Google integrations page, click Authenticate Google Contacts. Even if your goal is to use Google Drive, this Authenticate action establishes the core, secure connection between Zoho CRM and your Google account. It's the same authorization Google uses to allow Zoho CRM to access supported Google services, Drive included. When prompted, choose the correct Google account your team uses for files and grant the requested permissions. If your organization enforces security policies or single sign-on, follow any additional prompts from your admin console. If you don't see the consent window, check that your browser isn't blocking pop-ups. Once authentication completes, you should see a confirmation in Zoho CRM indicating that your Google account is connected. From there, you'll be able to access the Google integration options associated with your account. This is where you can review and fine-tune how Zoho CRM works with your Google services, such as enabling Drive-related features, managing visibility, and aligning settings with your team's data sharing practices. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Use the Google account that owns or has access to the files and shared drives your team relies on, and avoid switching accounts mid-setup. If the Authenticate button is unresponsive, refresh the page, clear your browser cache, or try a different browser. And if your company uses strict admin controls, you might need your IT team to allow Zoho CRM in your Google workspace. That's it. You went to Home, opened Setup, clicked Google, and authenticated. With the connection established, you're ready to work more efficiently with Google Drive right from Zoho CRM.